Good morning, students. Today in chapter 3 fiber to fabric we will study about the spinning process. In the previous presentation we have seen the ginning process of cotton fibers. Today we will see the spinning process and cotton fibers. Now our next topic is spinning cotton yarn. Spinning is the process of constructing yarn from fibers in which fibers from a huge heap of cotton wool are taken out and twisted, which brings them together to form a yarn. There are two major devices called takli, which is a hand spindle, and charkha, which is also a hand operated device, are used for spinning. Use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi. As a part of the independence movement, he encouraged people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn termed as khadi and shun imported cloth made in the mills of Britain. To popularize and promote khadi, the government of India constituted a body called Khadi and Village Industries Commission in 1956. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabrics. In this figure, on the left we can see a charkha and on the right we can see a simple takli, which is also known as hand spindle. Now our next topic is yarn to fabric. There are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. The two main processes are weaving and knitting. First method for making fabric from yarn is weaving. The process of entwining two sets of yarn simultaneously to make fabric is called weaving. The process is done using a loom, which can either be operated by hand or by a machine, which interlaces two sets of yarn at right angles to each other. So in a weaving process, two sets of yarn are entwined simultaneously to make fabric. A figure represents the process of weaving, in which two sets of yarns are arranged together to make a fabric. Second method for making fabric from yarns is the knitting. Have you ever noticed how sweaters are knitted? In knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Have you ever pulled the yarn from a torn pair of socks? What happens? A single yarn gets pulled out continuously as the fabric gets unraveled. Socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. Knitting is done by hand and also on machines. Knitting can be defined as the process by which a single strand of yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Socks, sweater, mufflers and a lot of other winter clothes are made of knitted fabrics. This picture shows how knitting is done. You must have seen this process at your home, done by your mother or grandmother. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.